So this next video is all about it's still about logarithms, except we're gonna do about inequalities and changing bases all in one video. So the first one we'll start with is an inequality. You just make sure I've got the right one. Yeah. X times 5 2x plus 1, yeah, is less than 2000. How do you think? How can that be a logarithm? Well, use our basic indices rules first. So when you times in indices, you add them. So it's 3x plus 1 is less than 2000. And we could use our rule of log ax to the n equals n times log x in base a. It basically means we're just moving this to the front. But first, if we have to turn to a log, we need these there. So log 5 3x plus 1. Now I said before in one of my early videos is that sometimes you're not given a base. Well, we're just left to assume they're both 10 and we don't need to faff around with putting 10 in there. And then we go back to this one. So go to the front. 5 doesn't go to the front because it's part of the log. It's in essence x. So 3x plus 1. We bracket it. Log 5 is less than log 2000. And then we expand this, so 3x plus log 5, no 3x log 5, sorry, plus log 5. So base is 5. So log 2000. So what can we do with that one? Well, we need to get rid of this, move this over to that side. And when you move it over, what we're doing essentially is taking it away. So we go back to our good old friend, the takeaway equation. Take away pizza, take away logarithm. Log x in base a, take log y also in base a. And our base a is 10, we don't need to write that. So log 2000, take log 5, same as 2000 over 5, so it's log 400. And I'm surprised how well I can do these equations. My brain just not written down on a piece of paper anyway. Right, so 3x log 5 is less than log 400. Now, as this log, what we're doing now is divide it by 3, can we? Yeah, divide both sides by 3. So let me just make sure 400 divided by 3 is 125. Oh. No, it isn't. Do we still get... So we just... Sorry about this, guys. Oh yeah, sorry about that. Right, so we use this rule here again to get rid of the x, the 3 there. So this becomes x log 5 cubed, which is 125, is less than log 400. And then we get rid of log 125 by dividing it by 125, so x less than log 400 over log of 125. Sorry, I should say 125. So x is greater than, let me just do it on my calculator here. So log 400 over log 125. And that gets us 1.24 or 1.2 for the 2 decimal places. So that's the answer to that question. Sorry, I just don't know why I'm trying to divide both sides by 3. So that's your... Oh, sorry, my voice went a bit there, and so did my control. So that's your answer to that question you've got there, and that's the inequality sorted. And I'll just find a changing base calculation for you now. Sorry.